Wetlands. One of the most fertile and productive ecosystems of the world. The kidneys of Earth. The treasure troves of innumerable species of microscopic and macroscopic plants and animals. Watery rendezvous of numerous winged denizens manifesting a variety of sizes, forms and colors. But among all of them, there are flamingos. The lanky birds that stand apart, owing to their light to brink pink color, long S-shaped necks, half-bent beaks, throaty calls and gregarious lifestyle. As per a theory, the word flamingo has its etymological roots in the Latin word flamma, which means flame. Many people also believe that the word flamingo has originated from Portuguese or Spanish word flamengo, which also means the flame. These birds of the family Phoenicopteridae might have got their name flamingo on the basis of the notion that when they take flight, the crimson color in their wings flashes like a burst of flame. Whatever is the etymology, the flamingos are not bothered about it. These large waders of the wetlands are always occupied with either foraging through a unique filter feeding technique in shallow muddy waters or resting and preening amidst shallow open waters. India is fortunate to have 2 out of total 6 species of flamingos existing worldwide. The tallest among all the species, namely Greater Flamingo, and the smallest among them, namely Lesser Flamingo. Greater Flamingo can have maximum height of 4.5 feet and weight of up to 3.5 kgs. Whereas the height of the lesser flamingos does not exceed 3.5 feet and it can weigh up to 2.5 kgs. There are 550,000 to 680,000 greater flamingos in the world. On the other hand, the world population of lesser flamingo is 2.22 million to 3.24 million individuals, as per an estimate provided in BirdLife International Data Zone. As per the IUCN Red List of Globally Threatened Species, lesser flamingo is a near threatened species due to decreasing population trend at moderately rapid rate, whereas greater flamingo is a least concerned species due to overall increasing population trend. Both the species can coexist at several wetlands. The lesser flamingo is known to be partial to saline wetlands, whereas greater flamingo can occur in fresh to saline water wetlands. They can occur at both inland and coastal wetlands. Some well-known places in India to see the congregations of flamingos on regular basis include Savory Mudflats and Bhigwan in Maharashtra, Sambhar Lake, Keoladio Ghana National Park and Javai Dam in Rajasthan, Pulicat Lake in Andhra Pradesh, Chilika Lake in Odisha, Thol Lake, Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, Khijadia Bird Sanctuary, Little Run of Kutch, Great Run of Kutch and Porbandar Wetlands in Gujarat. The best clue for distinguishing between the lesser flamingo and the greater flamingo is the color of the beak, which is entirely dark crimson in the former, whereas black-tipped pink in the latter. Another difference lies in eye color, as the lesser flamingo has red eyes, whereas greater flamingo has yellowish eyes. Greater flamingos breed in tens of thousands during the years with suitable hydrographic conditions at Flamingo City or Anda Bait in Great Run of Kutch in Gujarat from September-October to March-April. After raising young ones, they leave the Flamingo City and live nomadic life using wetlands in various parts of the country. The extralimittal migrant individuals are known to fly on Central Asian flyway from Middle East, especially Iran to India. Lesser flamingos are also largely our resident breeding birds. A large number of them breed in Great Run of Kutch and Little Run of Kutch of Gujarat any time between monsoon and winter during the years with suitable ecological conditions. Both the species build truncated conical mound-like mud nests having shallow pan-like depression at the top. In such nests, having height ranging from few centimeters to half a meter, the female usually lays one egg in its nest. Being colonial nesters, both the species construct their nests and rear chicks and young or immature birds in colonies that are often huge. Subsequently, the successfully survived young birds inevitably live in congregations of their own that are known as creches. The immature birds are greyish-brown to brownish in color. Flamingos are well known for their unique feeding technique, known as filter feeding technique. By wading into open waters or by walking in the shallow, muddy water. They trap microscopic and tiny macroscopic organisms using their specialized beaks. Their beaks are unusually shaped and they are equipped with comb-like lamellae that function as tiny filters. Pale to bright pink or scarlet color of the body plumage of flamingos is not due to their DNA, but it is due to red-orange pigments called beta-carotene, which they derive through the diet like tiny brine shrimps and spirulina. Flamingos are pink beauties of this blue planet. They are one of the most ancient birds that are still surviving in the modern age. Let us conserve them for our recreation needs and ecological welfare.